Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our Simatic Manager Step 7. So in this video we are going to discuss about the timers in Simatic Manager. So first of all you will see I have some timers and I am going to use again one by one again. So first of all I am going to use a S-pulse timer. I am going to name it a T1 and you will see here is my memory bit. Now I am going to put the time. So I am going to S5 T hash 5S. So you will see I am going to put a 5-second timer. If I am going to change the millisecond, you will see it will change into 5 milliseconds. But now I am going to name it 0.5S. So you will see that I am going to delete that one and like that. So you will see that it will 500 milliseconds. Now I am going to change it to 5 seconds. So you will see that. And I am going to reset that, which is I am going to use in 0.1 there. So, and I am going to use a CV there. And now I am going to download into my PLC sim. You will see that it is already on running mode, and now I am going to show you how it is going to work. So you will see when it reaches the value, it will reset automatically. Now you will see that again it will work again. But if I am going to put that one, you will see that it will directly reset that one. So that's how S-pulse timer is going to work. If I am going to, you will see it will calculate sums value. If I am going to reset that, you will see it will directly going to reset. You will see it's only work when our memory bit is going to on. So I think I need to delete that one like that. I am going to choose another timer. I am going to name it another T1, and also in TT I am going to S hash S5 T hash, and also I am going to change it to 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 2 seconds. I am going to use another 0.1 there and also a C there. So now you see I am going to download that into my PLC sim, and again now see how it is going to work. So you will see that it will already run. If I am going to stop my bit, but you will see it will run continuously and take our full time. So you will see whenever I am going to reset that, it will reset automatically. You will see that. So that's how S-pulse timer going to work in our Simatic Manager. So we don't have so much time, so I am going to copy that one and I am going to click that one, and on delay timer, which is ODT means on delay timer, and I am going to again paste there and reset, which is also 0.1 there, and the CV like that. Now I am going to download that, and again I am going to show you it is on delay timer. So when it is reaches the time, then it will going to on. You will see that. You will see. It will store values. When I am going to put that, it will reset automatically. So when it is reaches the value, then it will energize our output. You will see it will energize our output late. So you will see it's already stored the values, and now you will see it will reset that. So that's how on delay timer is going to work. Now I am going to again change that one to our ODTS, which is again another timer, and 0.1 there, like that, CV like that, and the T1 also that. I am going to again download that into my PLC sim. It is going online, and now I am going to show that. So see, I de-energize that, but it is, you will see, it's not going to work again because we need to reset that. So you will see it will reset, and I am going to stop that, and you will see it will running then energize. So that's how ODT is going to work. It will restore value if I am going to enable my out input, which is our M0 point ones. So that's how ODT is going to work. Now I'm going to change that to our off delay timer. So you will see it means off delay. So let's see that. List it there, 0.1 there, and I'm going to put that with the T1 there. Like that as a CV there. I'm going to download that, and you will see it will energize already. You will see that it will energize. When it is going to off, then it will. You will see that if I'm going to make it off, then it will go. So when it will reset, it will automatically off. You will see like this. So that's how off delay timers and all timers are works in our Simatic Manager step 7. So I think that's it. That's how we are going to work in our Simatic Manager step 7. So I think thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icon. So don't forget to read the descriptions. In the descriptions I give links of Windows Software SCADA, Ignition SCADA, Factory IO tutorials, TIA portal tutorials of S71200 and others tutorials as well. So if you want to learn, watch my video. So I think thank you very much again.